Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use Multiview on your YouTube TV Sunday ticket. Now first you need to open YouTube on your TV and then you just go ahead and select any game you want, any NFL game, and the app will automatically recognize your Sunday ticket subscription if you're logged in, and the NFL Sunday ticket games should also appear on the homepage for viewing. And now once you have a game playing on your TV, you click it down on your remote, okay? Click on the down arrow until you reach the row that says watch 4 games at once. That's probably the first or second row. In this row, you'll be given a wide range of choices. Now each choice has the game you're currently watching along with 1 to 3 other ones. And if you're an NFL Red Zone subscriber, you'll also have options that swap one of these, 1 to 3 additional games with the NFL Red Zone channel. So you just select your desired multi-view option and then you can use your remote here to switch between the games. And if you want to listen to the audio for a specific channel, move the white border to the NFL game of your choice and the audio feed, okay, will go ahead and pick up for that game. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.